Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for Mother's Day week, the 8th through the 14th, in my social media planner. And I'm actually not doing a Mother's Day theme for this specific spread, but we are going to be doing a little bit of a cutesy theme using the Right Place stickers, and this is the deco sheet. I cannot for the life of me remember what it's called, but I will put it on the screen for you so you can see. I'm actually on a PR for Right Place Planners. If you guys are interested in saving yourself some money, you can use my code CRAFTY15 for 15% off, and you'll receive my really cute freebie. I am very excited about it. It's so adorable. Alright, so for boxes, I did pull some items from her kit, one of her kits, and accidentally ordered a couple of extra pieces, so that's why I'm pulling some items from here. This is kit 50. It is the Bloom kit. It is beautiful, and I will be using this in a spread later on in the month. But we are going to go ahead and jump into this week. Please excuse my hoarse voice. I am still getting over an upper respiratory infection, so my voice is a little hoarse, but I am really excited to do this, so let's go ahead and continue. Alright, so I decided to go with this washi because I feel like it fits the colors of this little sheet here, so that's what we're going to do first. I'm actually going to go ahead and line the spine with this washi. You guys, if you've seen any of my Plan With Me's, you know I like to do this just because I feel like it adds a little bit of color to the spread in a very different way. So that's why I like to do this. Alright, so we've got that, and I think what I want to do now is we're going to start with this side because I do have an idea of how I want to do this spread. So I think we're going to start with the side and go on. So I'm going to start with the date covers because I think that would probably be the best way to start off. So I can have a little idea of what I want to do. I noticed that these two colors are a little different, but I think that's okay because I'm really trying to not white out this little box anymore because I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like I don't need to. Mother's Day is on the 14th, so I'm probably not going to put anything down for that, but I do kind of want to do some sort of scene here. And part of me, okay, I think, yeah, I think we're going to do a little scene at the bottom here because I'm not going to be posting anything on Sunday because that's Mother's Day, and I really like to just take the day off. I'm trying to take one day off of social media a week, and Sundays usually are the perfect time frame for that. So I'm going to make a little basis for the washi to go on here, and I want to give myself enough room on Saturday to put stuff down. Okay. And then I'm thinking maybe not that. Well, let me go on this side. I know we said we were going to start on that side, but whoops. I do kind of want to do a scene down here as well. So maybe I should do it up here. But But no, I kind of like it down here. Okay. So let's start with our plant and the armchair. And I'm thinking we could do these ones on like the hanging bookshelf. Okay, and then the coffee table. So I want the coffee table to go here. And maybe okay, what if, where's my whiteout? What if we did this plant hanging here, and then like that. Let's see. I don't know, I kind of like that. I feel like that looks cute. I kind of like that. Okay, I probably should put some functional things on here before we go too far into it. And because I had ordered a couple of extra items, I have a lot of my habit trackers left. So I think I'm going to use these. Along the spread here for my Instagram pods. Okay, and then I think I want to put this guy here and maybe maybe hang it like right here. Let's see. I don't like that. Maybe we could do it like right at the corner up here. Oh yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay, we've almost finished this little set here. I'm thinking actually to put this bookshelf down here. And maybe the mirror right here. It's not too bad. Maybe like that. What do we think? I feel like the laptop is just floating. I do like that. So maybe we'll put the laptop on this side. Okay, that's much better. Okay, and then we've got some habit trackers here, or some checklists that I want to incorporate. Probably have room for like one more. There we go. And then same thing with this one. think that's good. And I should probably do a title, but I don't really feel like doing that right now. So I want to add some boxes. So let's do one here and one here. Okay. And I kind of like the idea of having this one over here. With maybe a gray box. That's not bad. And maybe just a few more. I think that's good. I think maybe these two and we'll be good. Alright everyone, that is it for this spread using the WrightPlacePlans stickers and deco. I really think that this was a fun spread to create, and I feel like using deco stickers always makes it turn out really, really pretty, and I love adding the little pop of color in the washi, and I just think it's a very cute spread. If you did like this video and you want to see more from me, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with art prompt journal books, polymer clay, and of course planners. I have different playlists related to all of those categories and more in the description box, so check them out if you're interested. I will also leave WrightPlacePlans information down in the description box along with my code, so if you guys are wanting to check out her shop, save yourself some money. She does have sales going on pretty frequently on $2 Tuesdays every Tuesday. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!